We'll guide you through how to fix the taskbar missing or not showing in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying when this is happening, as it means you can't go and open up applications easily and things like that. So let's get started. There are multiple different methods, so make sure it's this full video. First of all, if you just hover your cursor at the bottom, you may be able to go and reveal it. So this is happening due to a setting. So what you can do is press the Windows Start key and I together to open up your settings. Come to the left and click on Personalization. Scroll down and go and find Taskbar. Scroll down and find Taskbar Behaviors and unselect Automatically Hide the Taskbar. That may go and fix the problem. If that's already unselected though, let's get into the next one. Press the Windows Start key and E together to open up your File Explorer. And then you want to press Ctrl-Alt-Delete and that will go and open up a page, and you want to click on Task Manager. I'm not sure if I'm able to record that there. In Task Manager, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart Task in the top right. And that should then go and restart the taskbar. And that should often go and solve the problem it previously has for me. If it still doesn't, then what you want to try doing is turning your computer on and off and performing a restart essentially. So you can do that by pressing the button on the computer itself or pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete. You can come to the bottom right and click on the power button and then click on restart or shut down. It's up to you, and you can then turn it back on. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please leave a like.